Ryan, meron ka na bang choice?
Yeah. I'm so nervous, honestly. I guess this guy just left me wondering, and I'm just, I don't know, curious. Hi, my name's Leanne Angulo. I'm 26 and I'm an avid side quest enjoyer. How long have I been single? Siguro mga 2 years na. I think it's really nice to meet people organically kasi parang hirap rin yung online apps, gano'n, parang it's just not the same. Mainly yung hinahanap ko sa partner, future-oriented. Parang ako kasi, date to marry, I don't know, like, I've had my fun. Like, 26 na ako, kailangan kong magseryosoan. So, yan. Hi, Javi. Kamusta ka?
Ay, okay naman. I wear many hats. Mainly, I'm a sports broadcaster. I also manage a bar and have a business with my family.
Wait, Mobile Legends ba yung ano?
Hindi. Di yan Mobile Legends. Yan yung basketball league ni Manny Pacquiao.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Utak talaga ML eh. Sorry. Okay, hi Ryan.
Hello.
Can you tell us about yourself?
Sure. So my name is Ryan. I'm 25 years old. I'm from Paris actually. Hindi ako taga dito.
Bumibisita ka lang gano'n?
Yeah, vacation lang. Ganun.
Wala, pag gano'n, LDR. Sinisip agad!
Hindi naman, magpa-for good ako next year, so...
For good?
So hindi naman magiging LDR yan, don't worry.
Wow, don't worry though. Okay, hello Mark!
Hey,
So ano daw, introduce yourself.
you can call me Mark. I'm from South. I'm a South baby from San Pedro, Laguna. I do hosting, but more on the corporate side, and I also have my own business.
Daray naman ng mga jobs niya. Yung right now, actually parang magkakaiba sila ng vibe eh. Parang si Javi parang gusto prim and proper, prepared. Ganon yung vibe ng hair niya. Tapos si Ryan, ayan, kulot. Like, hindi ko alam kung permed yan or natural.
It's a perm actually.
It's a perm. Okay. Akala ko natural. Si Mark, parang chill guy. Parang ayaw niya ng hassle of preparing his hair a lot. First question. What's your go-to move when you like someone? Mark!
Go-to move, I'm a conversationalist kasi. So I normally ask a lot of questions, to know the person more. And I'm also using that moment to share things about me.
Sige, bigay ka sa akin ng question. Mahilig ka pala magtanong eh.
Kanina kasi sinabi mo, you are someone who likes yung person na may plan. And I would ask you, like, what are the things that you want to achieve in life? Tapos from there, I'll use that as my starter to, something that, we have in common.
Actually, I don't have any go-to moves, pero kasi I'm really introvert, like super shy type ako. So, kausapin kita, papakita ko na I care for you, na I wanna get to know you more.
Anong love language mo?
Actually, physical touch.
Okay.
Same kami ni Ryan, wala rin akong go-to move kasi I'm type of guy who likes to live in the moment. I act based on how I see the situation.
Wait, guess ko rin. Mark, introverted ka ba?
Yeah, I am.
Boom! Lahat sila introverted.
Pero match naman pagka extrovert tsaka introvert, di ba?
Wait,
Opposites
so,
attract.
wait, paano yun? Nonchalant ba kayo?
Hindi naman.
Medyo.
Tell me your grooming habits and I'll rate it 1 to 10.
When I get ready for my day, I start off by brushing my teeth first and then shaving if I have to. I don't take long naman talaga. 30 minutes is super long na.
So 30 minutes may pomade na.
Yeah.
Kasama na yung shower dun.
Oh,
Ang bilis.
Time is
It's
gold eh.
Valid. I feel like, well-groomed ka naman. So, I'll clearly rate you an A.
Actually, basic lang, talaga, kung saan ako matagal sa skincare talaga, I have a lot of product. Where I take most time is to choose talaga my outfit. I really care about my...
Ay, yung fashionista ka, ganun.
Yeah, I'm into fashion, so I need to be well-dressed.
Clearly, mga 8.5. Kasi since medyo mas extensive yung skincare mo, I'll give it a 0.5. Okay, ikaw naman, Mark.
I do have a pattern to follow. Normally, I start by making sure na makapag-shower, mouthwash, brush ng teeth, floss, and then skincare. Sa hair naman, I'm not that really strict kung paano i-prepare yung hair ko. I feel like an hour is enough for me to prepare myself.
Kasi bihira yung pag-floss sa routine ng ibang people. So for me, that's clearly a 10. Ang tagal natin. Next question na.
the performance muna.
Oh.
Hoy,
Oo.
Kasi ikaw lang yung kita sa camera eh, so
wait,
kailangan
ito,
ikaw yung mag-perform.
nagpa-perform ako. Okay, there! Pretend you're picking me up for our day. Give me your best and clearest opening line.
First thing that I will do for sure is to thank you for accepting my invite.
Ay, wow.
Then
Oh,
when I pick you for sure, I'll definitely bring something. So I would definitely say na you look pretty or ang ganda mo naman. Clearly like you, and you know whatever we will be doing, I want you to know na I'm planning to make it like a better day for you.
bigay ka ng sample na plinan mong date.
Asking you for a dinner date, and then maybe we can also go to Makati, like yung mga overlooking dun na spots.
Overlooking. Taray, may view.
Yeah. Me, I usually like to compliment, you look lovely tonight.
Oh? Sorry!
Pressure.
Taray, lovely!
Kinilig ako dun, ha?
There are times that I bring the girl that I'm asking out to a friend's outing so that you can meet all of my friends and so that I can see if you really match the vibe of the group.
Pressure ako with friends. Oh, scary.
So obviously, syempre, susunduin. Like, atid sundo dapat, gentleman, di ba? So, so yeah, tas magkakita ko sa'yo, like, I'll try to make you laugh and comfortable. Like, I would ask you, like, how was it falling from heaven? Like,
Ay, wala! May line!
syempre naman may line. Like, pinapakilig ng konti, di ba? Me, my ideal date, so somewhere like where we could watch the stars, like, picnic and having like some deep conversation.
Oh, picnic, my stars. Okay, thank you. Si Javi, parang feel ko may expectation and pressure sa kanyang kailangan laging put together. So parang inisip ko, kailan siya magiging parang fully himself. Tapos si Ryan naman, parang na-feel kong young siya. Parang kasi since nalaman ko yung age, parang in my head, I mean, he's just a year younger. Pero parang naisip ko, baby boy. Tapos si Mark naman, parang feel ko siya, very intellectual siya magsalita. As in parang may system eh. Parang inisip ko parang mga INTP siya or something, ganon.
How would you rank them right now? Sino yung nasa bottom of your list? Sino nasa top?
If ever pag visual, baka Ryan. Pero baka in-imagine ko lang, di ba? Baka lang! Pero pag based sa hair, baka pantay si Javi at si Mark. And tingnan natin how it develops. Welcome back mga suki! Round 2 na tayo! If your hair could talk right now, what would it say about you? Okay, let's start with you, Javi.
Maybe the first thing would be magaling ako makisama. Second thing would be amazed that I actually talk for a living kasi actually pag nakakasama nila ako, nagugulat nila na tahimik talaga akong tao eh.
Sample nga ng linyahan na sinasabi sa sa work mo.
This is the Marlica Pilipinas Basketball League, ang liga ng bawat Pilipino.
Oh, astig, solid.
So, if kakausapin ako ng hair ko, sasabihin niya, like, your hair looks good, pero alagaan mo naman ako. I'm like, very chill, very funny.
So like, they love how chill and funny you
Yeah,
are.
ganun. Like, chill vibes talaga ako.
What about you, Mark? If your hair could talk right now, what would it say about you?
I am highly considering people's opinion rather than mine. I usually please people. Not because I wanna make them feel na it's all about them, but I highly consider how things would happen if I did not consider how people would react sa mga actions ko.
Okay, thank you, Mark, for that answer. Defend yourself. Why should I believe you're a green flag?
Ang job interview pala to, no?
Oh nga, actually.
Because I don't promise. I show it through action.
Slay.
Because everybody can say good words, right? Everybody can promise. But the thing there is, can they fulfill their promise? Kaya nga most of the time, I tell people na I want to be your constant. You know, you always show up kahit mahirap. You always show up kahit mahirap piliin, right? You always show up even it's the hardest, decision to do.
Taray, parang kang nag-monologue doon. Slay ka. Slay ka. Hindi, slay. I love your answer. Ikaw, Ryan.
Hindi mo pa naman makikita na green flag ako sa, like sinabi ni Mark, we're gonna see it over time by actions talaga. I'm not gonna tell you that I'm perfect. Siyempre, in a relationship, like we're here to lift each other's up, diba? And grow kasi there are ups and downs in relationships. So we're gonna be better person together. But yeah, I'm gonna show you by my actions na I'm actually a green flag.
Just like the two of them, I think defending yourself as a green flag can be a futile thing to do. It really depends on the actions na ipapakita mo. Kasi may mga tao nagsasabi ng mga bagay na hindi naman nila kayang panindigan eh. So I'd rather also let my actions do the talking.
We love actionable kings. There! Roleplay with me, I'm clearly upset with you. Show me how you'd make it up to me in 1 minute.
Upset?
Oo, parang, ano ba yan, Javi? Ba't lagi mo na lang yung ginagawa? Ayoko nga yung ganyan.
Ano bang ginagawa ko na ayaw mo? Paulit-ulit mo na lang akong pinapagbintangan ng ayaw mo, pero di mo naman sinasabi kung ano talaga specific eh.
Hindi mo pa ba naalala? Ayoko ng gulay. Ba't mo ka dinadala sa resto na puro gulay? Hindi mo maalala?
Sorry naman, di naalala ko naman na ayaw mo ng gulay. Pero syempre, gusto ko na you're always in the clean bill of health. Kaya gusto ko pakainin ng gulay kasi importante ka rin sa akin. Sabi ng doktor mo, kailangan mo ng gulay kaya pinagdinadala kita dito eh.
Ah, ganun ba? Thank you.
Sarap kaaway nito, ang bilis kausap.
Okay, ikaw naman, Ryan. Ryan, babe. Would you still love me if I were a worm?
Siyempre naman, mahal kita dahil sa personality mo.
Personality ko as a worm?
Slimy.
Oo, ang ganda mo pa rin actually.
Oy! Alagaan mo pa rin ba ako pag worm ako? Saan mo ako ilalagay?
Sa bulsa ko.
Sige, Mark, ikaw naman. Mark, di mo ba ako suyuin? Anniversary na nga natin eh.
I will.
Bilis?
But kidding aside, I know that there are a lot of things na you need to prioritize, and I know that yung anniversary is something special for you. Probably there are things na you need to do, kaya nag-step up siya sa mind mo. So let me take this moment and, you know, still celebrate and appreciate the moment with you.
Diba? We stand an emotionally intelligent king. Pinagkaiba from round 1. Parang, super nag-strike lang sa akin si Mark. Basta yung parang lagi siyang may follow-up answer na sasakyan niya muna yung makijoke na, na question. Tapos biglang, he has an actual and serious answer na he'd like to clarify and like convey to me. Si Ryan, like, give me something more. Konti. Ganon. Parang, hindi ko alam kung dahil nga shy siya as a person na it's kind of hard to express himself, especially on cam. Like, you know, I'm giving him the benefit of the doubt. And then si Javi naman, yung parang funny siya. So far. Actually, ngayon mayroong parang clear 1, 2, 3. For me, number 1, Mark. Number 2, Javi. And then, Ryan. Like... If you were to have a disclaimer about yourself in a relationship, what would it be?
Disclaimer, I like to party. It's not necessarily to just meet other girls, but I like being with my friends actually. Baka not a lot of girls can understand that eh. I tried to date a girl actually late last year, mga December. Yeah, there was just one night na I wasn't able to reply, and then I replied the next day na it was because I was out with my friends.
Pero you told her you were out.
Yeah. She knew that I was out.
Pag ganun, paano mo siya ma-reassure na?
If I'm really into the girl, I'm gonna do everything to make sure na I prove myself to her. If ever man talaga na may event ako na kailangan puntahan, I'll really tell her and I'll make sure na wala akong ginagawang anything extracurricular.
Thank you for that and a glimpse to your past. Ikaw, naman, Ryan?
Big disclaimer about me is actually I'm a big overthinker talaga. Like because of my past, like actually I was overweight before. Like I was I was obese talaga. So I carry a lot of insecurities from my past. I constantly need some reassurance from my partner talaga. So that's why I said earlier na communication is one of the most important thing for me kasi I would always overthink about everything.
For me, hindi naman masyadong issue ang communication. Kasi baka makasakit ka and it's gonna scar them. And it's better to think what you're gonna say to your partner. Thank you for that, Ryan! We're so serious in this round. Ikaw naman, Mark?
Di kasi ako matangkad eh.
Ano bang height mo?
I feel like I have a decent height naman. I'm 5'7".
Ano kasi, nag-heels rin kasi ako ng mga 4 inches eh.
Bakit parang nasad ka?
Pwede rin naman siya mag-heels din.
If you could only choose one, mas mahal ka or mas mahal mo? Clarify your answers.
Preference-wise, of course, mas mahal ko. I'm a believer that, life is a relationship. So it's always about what you can offer than what you receive. You cannot expect people to love you, right? So you focus on what is something that you can control, which is the love that you can give them.
Hirap sundin nun.
Kabahan na kayo,
Ano
Javi
kaya
at
masasabi
Ryan.
natin?
Sabihin ko rin na mahal ako kasi sometimes nakakalimutan ko na mahalin rin yung sarili ko. Actually, I really love myself. Minsan nga, sometimes too much. But there are just times na dahil nga I also want to make sure that the people around me are okay and doing well. Sometimes I forget to look out for myself.
Parang you just need extra care. Bale yung not that you
Siguro
don't...
maybe someone just to remind me to also take care of myself and look out for myself from time to time.
Me, obviously, I would choose mas mahal ko. Kasi parang nafe-feel ko na mas mahihirapan ako pag mas mahal ako ng partner ko. Like, I would feel na I would be the one that needs to adjust always, all the time. I'd rather get hurt than hurt someone else. So, mas okay na ako na lang magmahal to get better, to grow every single day para lang sa partner ko. So, yeah, mas mahal ko talaga.
Hey, wow, so philosophical natin tonight! Okay, Javi, be honest. Would you stay in touch with me after this?
Yes.
Okay, slay. Let's see if that's true. Woo! So yeah, let's exchange socials, guys.
I always love meeting new people, even if naman we don't end up dating. I mean, I still love to pick their minds about whatever they're doing in the world.
Same. I love making friends. Okay, Ryan, be honest. Would you stay in touch with me after this?
Of course naman.
Sige, sabi niyo eh.
Uy! Hindi totoo to.
I don't know how to take it, but like, if you say so.
No, actually, kasi I could see her from behind the curtains and I think she's really cute. And parang na-feel ko na ang saya niya kasama. Like, sabi ko kanina na introvert ako, I feel like extrovert siya. Like, di ba, opposite attracts. So, I think that we could really get along. Like,
Slay ka dun Depend talaga eh.
oh, yun, di ba?
Be honest, would you stay in touch with me after this, Mark?
No.
Ooh, valid. Hala, ha? Nakakalito.
Reverse psychology yan.
Reverse psychology.
Hindi ko alam kung minamind games mo ako ngayon, pero...
There's actually a reason why I answered no, because I don't want to disappoint people. So intention-wise, yes, I do. But I cannot promise na it's going to be something romantic as of now, because of course, we're still getting to know each other first.
Galing mo dun.
Idol talaga.
Girl, all I could just say is like valid, because like everybody, you can't really expect for all things to go well, or like, I mean, parang, I just can't really expect sometimes. Thank you, Javi, Ryan, Mark. It's been like a really, really, really great day. It's really just fun knowing people, and like, thank you for like having this experience with me.
Thank you then.
Thank you.
Siguro, ang pinakang takeaway ko is I'm trying not to conclude who they are just because of this meeting. But I'm just being very open-minded as to where this can go. Gusto ko lang i-heads up na, I guess the guy that I'm gonna choose, I guess, kind of left me wondering more. Medyo naniniwala ako dun sa parang first impressions eh. So, dun ako usually nagsistick na.
So, Leanne, meron ka na bang choice?
Yeah. Oh, I'm so nervous, honestly. I wish like parang, can you just choose me? Ganon, like, I'm so anxious. Welcome back, our wonderful, wonderful bachelors. It's time. Siguro this person, I can't seem to conclude yet. Ako, the other guys, at a certain point, I was able to put them into a certain category or maybe box. Ako, I guess this guy just left me wondering, and I'm just, curious. Like, ooh, mystery man. I want to know like all parts of him, like whether good or bad. Ayun, parang I want to see how it's gonna work. Oh, wait! I want to get to know you more. Fine test. Ta-da! Ayoko na. Ano niya ako?
Kinabahan na talaga ako.
Wait, naiya ako.
Bakit? Hi, my name is Ryan.
Hello, Leanne.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And let's get to know each other more.
Sige. Naiya ako.
Labas ba kami?
Yes.
Ryan.
Ba't di mo siya matingnan?
Nahiya nga ako.
What if Ryan, you ask her, tingnan ka sa eyes.
Do you wanna get to know me more?
Oh! Ayun, basta Ryan, I clearly want to get to know you more.
Tingnan mo sa mata.
Siyempre.
Oh.
Salamat sa very wonderful experience, opportunity. Thank you, Recreate.
I'm gonna take her out before I go back to Paris. Or isasama ko na lang.
It was so much fun. She's such a personality, si Leanne. And I'm happy for Ryan. I think nasulit yung pagbalik niya dito sa Pilipinas before he leaves for Paris.
I may be labeled as single, but you know, if ever that you'll have the chance to watch this, I'm still waiting for you.
Ako, 12 years na ako naghahanap ng dawa na. So, medyo yung oras, medyo matagal na. 12 years So, baka naman pwede niyong bilis-bilisan, di ba? I will offer you everything that you want. I will offer you complete happiness.
Suave.